Aya StoryGrove presents the clever old woman Siyahi Bڑھیا. In a quiet little village, there lived 3 brothers, sons of a hardworking man named Karamdin. He owned a small shop in the market and spent his whole life building it with honesty and patience. Before his death, he called his sons close and said softly, "My sons, promise me one thing. Always stay united. A single stick can be broken easily, but a bundle of sticks cannot." The brothers nodded, but they never understood the true meaning of his words. After their father passed away, the brothers took over the shop. But instead of working together, they began to fight every single day. Each wanted his own share, his own control, his own way. Their laziness and quarrels drove the customers away. The shop that once stood full of life was now silent and empty. Footsteps. An old woman enters. One day, a clever old woman came to their shop. Her clothes were old and dusty, but her eyes were full of wisdom. She watched the brothers arguing and smiled gently. "My sons," she said, "why do you fight like enemies? Don't you know the blessings that come from unity?" The brothers looked at her in confusion. The old woman picked up 3 small sticks lying on the floor. She gave one to each brother and said, "Break it." They snapped the sticks easily. Then she tied the 3 sticks together and said again, "Now, try to break them." This time no one could. She smiled and said, "Just like these sticks, if you stay together, no hardship can break you." The brothers fell silent. For the first time, they understood what their father had tried to teach them. They joined their stock, worked together, and shared their profits fairly. Within days, their shop came back to life, full of customers, smiles, and blessings. From that day onward, they never fought again. They realized that true strength lies not in money or power, but in unity and love. Moral: unity is strength. When we stand together, no challenge can defeat us.